Hello, girls and boys. Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, with you again. Very excited to be with you. I hope you're having a good day. We are going to continue our work with subtraction, right? There's that big word, subtraction. And we know that subtraction is when you have a group of objects, you have something, and you take some of those away, or you separate them. But so far we've been taking them away. So today we're going to continue to solve some subtraction number sentences. Today we're going to use dots. So we've been using pennies, any objects you can find around your house or where you live. We've used drawing balloons, and today we're going to show how you can just do it with dots. So you might have a marker or a crayon or a pen or a pencil, and you might have a whiteboard or a piece of paper. That's all you need. So we're going to look at the first problem, which says 5 take away 2 is the same as what? So what if you have 5 of something and take away 2, what are we going to be left with? So I'm going to draw some dots. So I'm going to draw 5 dots. I'm going to draw 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots. So I have 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to cross out, just like I did with those balloons, I'm going to cross out 2 of them. I'm going to cross out 1, 2. So I had 5. I crossed off 2, so I took them away. And now how many do I have? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. So 5 take away 2 is the same as 3. All right, let's try another one. I dropped my papers. Whoa, there we are, peekaboo. Okay, so let's take that one away. Let's try this one, which is 6 minus 1. Minus is another word for subtract, take away. Minus 1 is the same as or equal to what? So pause the video right now if you want, or just think about, what do you think we'll have if we have 6 dots or 6 of something? Now this time I'm not even going to color them, I'm just going to draw circles. So I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I'm going to subtract 1. So I'm going to take away 1. I'm going to cross off 1. And how many am I left with? Did you say 5? If you said 5, you're correct, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 subtract 1 equals 5. All right, let's do one more, and then I'll show you the paper that I have. So this one we have 4 minus 3, so I can draw 4 circles or 4 dots. And this time I'm going to cross off 3 of them. So let's pretend they're apples, and there's 4 apples, and I ate one, and both my kids ate one, so that means 3 of us ate an apple. How many apples are left? Well, let's use our dots. If you want to think about it right now, what do you think we're going to get? How many apples are left? So we have 4 apples. Just draw circles. We're going to cross off 3 of them. And cross off 1, 2, 3. So I have 4. I took away 3, and now I'm left with 1 apple. So 4 minus 3 is the same as 1. All right, so if you have the paper, it looks like, I gotta find it, let's see. Looks like this, subtraction with dots, okay? And it says 10 minus 4. It's a lot of dots, right? So let's, actually I'll move it up like this. Let's draw 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to take away, subtract 4 of them. So pause the video if you want, or just think in your head right now. How many dots will we be left with if we take away 4 of those 10 dots? So think about it. See what you think. Let's see how you do. I'm going to cross off 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have, how many are left over? Let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Sorry, my... let's see. Yes. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Camera. Okay, here we go. So we had 10 dots. We crossed off 4, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So that means that 10 minus 4 equals 6. Easy peasy, right? Just with any kind of crayon or marker or pencil and paper, you can solve subtraction problems. So there's 2 more problems here. If you don't have the paper, you can pause the video and you can write them down and you can make up your own problems. I would keep the problems within 10. So